At news time, information is power. Be current. The news headline: Nigeria, Boko Haram imposes Sharia in Niger State, tells Muslims and Christians that 12-year-old girls must be married. The child marriage has abundant attestation in Islamic tradition and law, and Turkey's Directorate of Religious Affairs, Diyanet, said in January 2018 that under Islamic law, girls as young as 9 can marry. Islam has no age barrier in marriage, and Muslims have no apology for those who refuse to accept this. Ishaq Akintola, professor of Islamic eschatology and director of Muslim Rights Concern Nigeria: there is no minimum age for marriage for either men or women in Islamic law. The law in many countries permits girls to marry only from the age of 18. This is arbitrary legislation, not Islamic law. Dr. Abd Al-Hamid Al-Ubaidi, Iraqi expert on Islamic law: there is no minimum age for marriage, and that girls can be married even if they are in the cradle. Dr. Salih bin Fawzan, prominent cleric and member of Saudi Arabia's highest religious council: Islam does not forbid marriage of young children. Pakistan's Council of Islamic Ideology: these authorities say these things because hadith that Muslims consider authentic record that Muhammad's favorite wife Aisha was 6 when Muhammad wedded her, and 9 when he consummated the marriage. The Prophet wrote the marriage contract with Aisha while she was 6 years old and consummated his marriage with her while she was 9 years old, and she remained with him for 9 years till his death. Another tradition, as Aisha herself recounts the scene: the Prophet engaged me when I was a girl of 6 years. We went to Medina and stayed at the home of Bani al-Harith bin Karaj. Then I got ill and my hair fell down. Later on, my hair grew again, and my mother, Roman, came to me while I was playing in a swing with some of my girlfriends. She called me, and I went to her, not knowing what she wanted to do to me. She caught me by the hand and made me stand at the door of the house. I was breathless then, and when my breathing became all right, she took some water and rubbed my face and head with it. Then she took me into the house. There in the house, I saw some Ansari women who said, "Best wishes and Allah's blessings and a good luck." Then she entrusted me to them, and they prepared me for the marriage. Unexpectedly, Allah's apostle came to me in the forenoon, and my mother handed me over to him. And at that time, I was a girl of 9 years of age. Muhammad was at this time 54 years old. Marrying young girls was not at all that unusual for its time, but because in Islam Muhammad is the supreme example of conduct, he is considered exemplary in this until today. And so in April 2011, the Bangladesh Mufti Fazlul Haq Amini declared that those trying to pass a law banning child marriage in that country were putting Muhammad in a bad light. Banning child marriage will cause challenging the marriage of the holy prophet of Islam. The moral character of the prophet will into controversy and challenge. He therefore added the threat that Islam permits child marriage and it will not be tolerated if any ruler will try to touch the issue in the name of giving more rights to women. The Mufti said that 200,000 jihadists were ready to sacrifice their lives for any law restricting child marriage. Likewise, the influential website islamonline.com in December 2010 justified child marriage by invoking not only Muhammad's example but the Quran as well, saying that the Noble Quran has also mentioned the waiting period for a divorced wife to remarry, for the wife who has not yet menstruated, saying, "And those who no longer expect menstruation among your women, if you doubt, then their period is 3 months. And also, for those who have not menstruated, Quran 65:4. And since this is not negated later, we can take from this verse that it is permissible to have sexual intercourse with a prepubescent girl. The Quran is not like the books of jurisprudence, which mentions what the implications of things are, even if they are prohibited. It is true that the Prophet entered into a marriage contract with Aisha when she was 6 years old. However, he did not touch her until she was 9 years old, according to Al-Bukhari. And other countries make Muhammad example the basis of their laws regarding the legal marriageable age for girls. Article 1041 of the Civil Code of the Islamic Republic of Iran states that girls can be engaged before the age of 9 and married at 9. Marriage before puberty, 9 full lunar years for girls, is prohibited. Marriage contracted before reaching puberty with the permission of guardian is valid, provided that the interests of the world are duly observed. Boko Haram installed Sharia law in Niger State, fixes marital age for girls at 12 years. Boko Haram insurgents are coercing residents of Shiroro, local government area of Niger State, to marry off their daughters at the age of 12 years. And the residents of affected communities said that the insurgents have ordered them not to recognize any constituted authority, where a resident of the area and co-governor of concerned Shiruru youth, Bello Ibrahim, told newsmen at the time that they were in Kawuri, the village of former senator representing Niger East, David Umaru, saying that there was an operation to dislodge them by the Joint Military Task Force and that fortunately they were dispatched, but after a while, since the military base was not stationed there, they reconvened, saying that so now they are not only in Kawuri, but they have also extended their tentacles to communities like Kurebe, Awulo, and a host of others. And this must actually be with respect to the view that Islam is actually supporting child marriage, where they have actually illustrated that so far that their example, that is Muhammad, actually had this same encounter with his wife with age 6 and 9 respectively, then it was actually moral for them according to their religion to marry at a tender age, provided that there is a legal consent of the guardian or the parents of the daughters, saying that and this must have been why the Boko Haram are actually justifying this, by asking the residents in Shiroro to give their child out for them to marry at the age of 12. Thanks for listening.